Vanakkam, welcome back. I am Vino Rayen. Today's lesson is very special. We are learning how to speak to our family and loved ones with love and respect. These 10 phrases will help you connect deeply with your Tamil speaking relatives. In a Tamil family, respect starts with how we address our elders. Instead of just hello, we use titles. For grandfather, say Thaatha. For grandmother, say Paatti. Practice with me. Thaatha, Paatti. This immediately shows your respect for the family lineage. Phrase 3. How are you? To an elder we say, Neenga eppadi irukkeenga. To someone younger we say, Nee eppadi irukka. Let us try the respectful version. Neenga eppadi irukkeenga. It shows you truly care about their well-being. Can you please try once again? Neenga eppadi irukkeenga. Phrase 4. I love you. This is a beautiful way to express your heart. Say, நான் உன்னை காதலிக்கிறேன். Or more generally for family, எனக்கு உங்களை ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். Let us try. எனக்கு உங்களை ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். Phrase 5. Have you eaten? In a Tamil home, food is love. Instead of how are you, we often ask Saappittaacha. It means, have you eaten? Repeat after me. Saappittaacha. This is the warmest question you can ask. Phrase 6. I miss you. If you are far from home, say, நான் உங்களை மிஸ் பண்றேன். Or the traditional, உங்கள் நினைவாக இருக்கு. Let us use the heartfelt version. உங்கள் நினைவாக இருக்கு. It means you are in my thoughts. உங்கள் நினைவாக இருக்கு. Phrase 7. Take care. When saying goodbye, we say, Udambai paarthukkonga. Break it down. Udambai paarthukkonga. It shows you value their health and safety until you meet again. Udambai paarthukkonga. That's right. Phrase 8, 9, and 10. I am happy. Magilchi. Bless me. என்னை ஆசீர்வதியுங்கள். And thank you. நன்றி. These small words create a big impact in family relationships. Magilchi. நன்றி. Mikka Nandri for joining me today. Family is the heart of Tamil culture. To practice these emotional phrases with me one-on-one, book a lesson on Preply. Visit yoga-8.com or message me on WhatsApp. God bless you. Seekiram Sandeep.